Welcome to lecture 2. Today we will walk through how to install Python and set up an IDE, which is your coding environment. Getting this right is your first step towards writing and running Python programs efficiently. Now, downloading Python. To start, head over to python.org. Click on the Downloads tab. Select your operating system, Windows or macOS or Linux. Now let's download it. Next, make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path during installation. This is really important because it lets you run Python from the terminal or command prompt directly. After installation, let's confirm that Python was installed correctly. Open your terminal or command prompt if you are using Windows and type the following command: Python space ---- version. If you see a version number, congratulations, Python is ready to go. Now that Python is installed, let's choose where to write code. I recommend using VS Code. It's lightweight, customizable, and beginner-friendly. If you want advanced features like auto-debugging or integrated testing, PyCharm is also a great option too. Next, let's install VS Code. Now to install VS Code, visit code.visualstudio.com and download the latest version. After installation, open VS Code and install the Python extension from the Extensions tab. This adds smart features like syntax highlighting, error detection, and debugging. And just like that, your Python environment is ready. In the next lecture, we will write our first Python program. So make sure your setup is working, Python installed, and an IDE like VS Code is ready. See you there.